Hey Kafka learners! Today's question is a common one for beginners. What is a Kafka broker? Let's simplify this concept so you'll never forget it again, even if you're just starting out. A Kafka broker is a Kafka server. It's the system that receives, stores, and serves data in Kafka. In short, it's the middleman that handles everything between the producers, who send messages, and the consumers, who read them. Real-life analogy: Amazon warehouse presenter, animated warehouse visual. Think of a Kafka broker like an Amazon warehouse. Producers are like sellers shipping items to the warehouse. Consumers are like customers placing orders. And the Kafka broker is the warehouse that stores all the packages and delivers them when asked. Each Kafka broker manages storage, receives data, and sends it out when consumers request it. What does a broker actually do? Presenter, with animated Kafka architecture diagram. A Kafka broker handles multiple tasks, accepts messages from producers, stores them on disk, in topics and partitions, serves messages to consumers on request, maintains metadata about topic partitions, communicates with other brokers to form a Kafka cluster. Yes, you can have multiple brokers working together in a Kafka cluster to distribute the load. What is a Kafka cluster? Presenter. When you have more than one broker, you get a Kafka cluster. Why is that useful? Redundancy, high throughput. Scalability. Kafka clusters make it possible to process millions of messages per second, reliably and efficiently. What happens if a broker fails? Don't worry, Kafka's designed to handle that. With replication, other brokers keep a copy of your data. If one broker goes down, Kafka automatically switches to another. This ensures no data is lost, and the system keeps running smoothly. Quick recap presenter, recap visual with checklist. Kafka broker. Kafka server. Receives, stores, and serves messages. Works with producers and consumers. Supports topics, partitions, and storage. Multiple brokers. Kafka cluster. And that's your quick, clear guide to Kafka brokers. If this video helped, give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe for more tech made simple. And drop a comment if you want a deep dive into Kafka clusters or Zookeeper next. Don't forget to ring the bell so you stay updated on every Kafka byte.